Right now, Typhoon Khanun is a few hundred kilometers from here and it's expected to slowly skirt past Taiwan's north coast. It's already brought gusts of 50 kilometers an hour, 6-meter high waves and heavy rain to this part of Taiwan. Cities in northern Taiwan, including the capital Taipei, are shutting down schools and workplaces. Dozens of flights have been cancelled and all ferry services across the country have been suspended. Hundreds of soldiers are on standby to deal with flooding and storm damage. Typhoon Khanun already caused deaths and left hundreds of thousands of people without power when it hit nearby Okinawa. Northern Taiwan is now battening down the hatches. Authorities hope these precautions can prevent damage. Chang and Glauert in Geelong, northern Taiwan for TaiwanPlus.